Pedders GVM Upgrade kits are the perfect all-round solution if you tow or carry heavy loads with your SUV. So today, we're putting the product through its paces to get an understanding of the dynamic differences by comparison to original equipment.
For this test, we'll be using similar Ford Rangers. The first will be fitted with its standard OEM suspension, while the second Ranger will be kitted out with the top-of-the-range Pedders GVM Kit. Featuring a front spring that raises the front by 50mm, Pedders foam cell shock absorbers and a constant load leaf spring in the rear of the vehicle. Both vehicles are loaded with extra weight, taking them to 3.2 tonnes, the Ranger's original GVM. The test course is a 100-metre slalom, featuring 7 cones spread 15 metres apart. The maximum speed for the test is 45 km/h, which is more than enough to feel the effects of the added weight. Drivers first hit the slalom in the original Ranger.
More unstable than a GVM Upgraded.
While driving the standard Ranger, drivers struggled to keep a tight line through the cones and experienced considerable body roll.
You don't feel right, it doesn't feel safe.
Feel the body roll as you went through the slalom. When you hit the brakes at the end, you could feel it sort of loading up the front.
Next, the GVM Upgraded Ranger.
Oh yeah, you can definitely hear the difference in the tyres, not struggling as much as the other vehicle.
Drivers were able to keep a much tighter line through the cones and experienced a 20% reduction in body roll.
Steered better, so when you're starting to swerve around cones and that, you had more control of the car.
So much more controlled experience than the one with the GVM Upgrade. Felt a lot more stable and definitely a lot safer.
This test was the perfect example of how weight affects a vehicle's handling characteristics and how a Pedders GVM Upgrade can help combat these effects. For more info or to find your nearest Pedders store, head to pedders.com.au.